This is Alpha Environmental. Today we are at 1038 Cedarwood Street performing a sanitary sewer scope post-repair video. I have pushed past our repair. There is a consistent flow of water running. I'm going to go ahead and do a pullback and show that there are no more issues or breakages in the line.